I'll get the direction right 9 out of 10 times, because direction is obviously the first thing I teach, and it's the first thing that we need to understand when it comes to taking the trade in the first place. Hey, what's up, guys? So we're gonna be doing a breakdown here on Euro NZD. Now, I want to tell you quickly why I hate Euro NZD. Right now, on the surface, Euro NZD looks pretty normal. It looks pretty standard, like any other currency pair, right? But something that I have realized, and this is something that you need to take into your own trading. You need to pay attention to what currency pairs you like and don't like. And well, obviously, I think you understand that I do not like Euro NZD. But let me explain why. So on the surface, Euro NZD looks pretty straightforward. It looks like any other currency pair. It's over since April 2022. It appears to be bullish, and yeah, that's fine, right? Now, what you're not seeing, this is the forward time frame. What you're not seeing is Euro NZD moves a lot. It moves a lot. Now, you're probably wondering, well, that's a good thing. Why don't I like it because of that? Here's the thing. Euro NZD not only moves a lot, but it produces big wicks. And if you know anything about trading, if you know anything at all about trading, you'll understand that wicks are very dangerous for stop losses. And if you know anything about me and the way I trade, you'd also know that I use very tight stop losses. So I think you get where I'm coming from. I think you're picking up what I'm putting down. On Euro NZD, even though it moves a lot, it is almost impossible for me, and I'm saying this out loud, it is almost impossible for me to capture a good trade on Euro NZD without being stopped out. Right? I'll get the direction right 9 out of 10 times, because direction is obviously the first thing I teach, and it's the first thing that we need to understand when it comes to taking the trade in the first place. But one of the things, like I said, I really test about Euro NZD is I might enter with a 10 pip stop loss, and what you'll actually end up seeing is like this candle here, this red candle here, for instance. That's 13 pips, and this is the 15-minute time frame. And I didn't know that that particular candle would be 13 pips. I just know that Euro NZD moves a lot, and that's a problem. That's a problem, especially when you use tight stops. Now, I could tell you that on Euro NZD, I probably have 5 or 6 examples in the past, not present, because I don't trade it anymore. And I have about 5 or 6 examples of when I would have taken trades on Euro NZD and they actually won. Because I can assure you, I don't win trades on this pair very often. Now, let me ask you something. Do you trade Euro NZD? What do you think? Do you trade this pair frequently? If you do, what is your average stop loss? What is the average? So like, all right, so I'm telling you, like right now, Euro NZD looks like it's just more buys. Nothing about it says sells. I don't think this is a reversal. Therefore, I'm not going to try to sell it. But I can assure you right now, I don't have an entry. And even if I did, I still probably wouldn't take it. But if you were to, let's just say you were to adhere to my signal of buys, would you enter this currency pair in particular? And what would your average stop loss be? Let me know in the comments. Yeah, so that's a quick breakdown of what I'm going to be trying to do. I'm going to try to do like a breakdown of a currency pair. Very, very short, but a breakdown of a currency pair every day, if not every day, more frequently. And yeah, let me know what you think. Let me know, do you like Euro NZD? Do you even like this currency pair? Have you had good results on this pair, good experiences on this pair? If you did, comment it below. As always, if you want to see more breakdowns, I mean, it's a very, very short breakdown and you can expect definitely higher and more in the future. If you want more, be sure to subscribe, hit like on the video if you did like it. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.